standing in front of this 2017 Arctic Cat Wildcat Trail, and it pulls a little bit to the right going down the roads and on the trails. So today I'm going to show you how to align your front end and do a wheel adjustment, so stick around. As you can see, I got the steering wheel straight up and down, almost. All right. And if you notice, the driver's side wheel is right in line, straight on. But if you come over to the passenger side, you can see that it's turned out quite a bit. So what we're going to do is adjust the wheel alignment. And you can do that with this adjustment right here. So the first step you want to do is align your steering wheel up and down. And then go ahead and set up some jacks with a string run to them. And you want it to be tight up against, just so it's touching your wheel in both spots on your rear wheel. And then make sure that you're lined up on the front. So you can see we're good there and we're good there. So we know that this side is looking pretty good. We'll go ahead and do the other side without moving the steering wheel. All right, so I went around to the other side now, the passenger side. Did the same thing. Have your string touching both spots on your rear tire, and then come around to the front. And you can see here, it's touching, but here we have a gap. I can get my whole finger back in there. So what you need to do is break this lock nut loose here, and we'll turn this whole shaft out so this back of this wheel comes out towards until it hits the string. Back it out. And then we're going to take a 9/16 and turn this shaft out until this wheel touches this line right here. As you can see now, there's a slight gap in here and a slight gap in here. So go ahead and move our jack back over slightly until it touches the wheel again. And now as you can see, the wheel, the string touches here tight and it's touching here nicely. So what you want to do then is go ahead and lock down your lock nut here on your tie rod. Make sure you lock that down tight with a wrench. Using another wrench holding this here, go ahead and tighten this down. Final step after you have that locking nut tightened back down is just take a look. Look down both sides. Now go ahead and go for a test ride. Well, thanks for joining me again today. I hope that this little tip was helpful to some of you guys out there. It's quite simple to canter your wheels in or out, turn them in and out, adjust them, get a nice wheel alignment so that it tracks down the trail nice and straight. Thanks for joining me, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.